Does painting a rose have to be hard? That's what I used to think for the longest time, but just trust the process. First paint the wiggly lines with a dark liquid lipstick. These are gonna be the petals, bigger on the outside, smaller and more numerous to the center. Fill them in with red lipstick, but fill them in with dark red lipstick where the shadows from the inner petals are supposed to fall. And the center, use the orange lipstick for that. Blend them in beautifully. For an ombre, you can even use a little bit of yellow. You will find a way more detailed version of this lip tutorial on the Mirror Beauty Patreon with all the tips and tricks. Comment a rose if you like this lip art. A sunflower can make any day sunny and bright, so let's paint it on your lips. You're seeing the lipsticks used on your screen. First paint the front row of petals and then the back row, but since the colors do not contrast each other enough, we will also add a brown outline and some eyeshadows for a 3D effect. Then fill in the yellow petals and then add orange and white for a more realistic design. Drop a sunflower emoji if you're liking the lip tutorial and follow the Mirror Beauty for more ideas. This is just a part of the series where you can paint a flower lip art with me. Add 2 green leaves to this hibiscus flower because it only has 5 petals. Let's start with white. Don't forget a shadow for a 3D effect. Go into lighter pink, and by the way, the hibiscus lip art is a part of my lip art ebook in case you didn't know. Blend the light pink with the white living room for the darker pink. Apply in the middle and blend with the lighter pink. Add the darker pink streaks. Blend them in 2. Fill in the leaves with a light green and add the streaks as well. The stamen in dark magenta and yellow color. Another eyeshadow. Did you know I have 3 other flower lip arts on my page? A brief guide on how to create your flower lips. Yes, you can definitely paint it. Just a little bit tedious. Sketch out the petals. Fill them in partially with purple. Add a 3D effect, partially with white and yellow. You'll find the full tutorial including the tips and tricks for how to create this blending on my Patreon. Would you do your lip art using this?